haughty. If I have to explain the word haughty in one simple Hindi word, that word would be ghamandi. So, if someone is haughty, he feels that he is superior to everyone around him. The person would have a very high opinion of himself and a low opinion of others. So, if you are haughty, you feel that you are above everyone else. Being haughty is being arrogant. It's being proud, it's being snobbish. So, जो haughty है, उसको घमंड है. वो घमंड पैसे का भी हो सकता है, वो घमंड खूबसूरती का या स्मार्टनेस का भी हो सकता है, पर घमंड तो है. घमंडी होना is being haughty. Hopefully you're getting the meaning here. Let's watch a clipping now.
You know, forks were invented so man could at least make a pretense of separating himself from the apes.
Short thumbs.
What did you say?
Hopefully, you are able to understand what was happening in the clipping. So the lady in swimsuit was behaving in a very haughty way. Now, there's a nice mnemonic to remember the word haughty. We can say, haughties are generally haughty. Now, I know this is very sexist. I apologize for that. But I think it's a very good mnemonic to remember the meaning of the word haughty. Now, the quality of being haughty is hauteur. Make sure that you get the pronunciation right. It's hauteur. Remember, haughty is an adjective while hauteur is the name of the quality. Hauteur is noun. Let's have the usage here. As soon as she won the lottery, Alice began displaying a hauteur to her friends. So जैसे ही एलिस ने लॉटरी जीती, जैसे ही उसके पास पैसे आए, उसने घमंड दिखाना शुरू कर दिया. Hauteur is घमंड. The principal at my school is haughty and considers herself to be above everyone else. So school की principal घमंडी है. Hopefully you're getting the meaning of the word haughty and hauteur.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.